This Premiere Pro update is insane. Yeah, you know, the standard, like you got some changes here and there, right? Standard stuff, but there's this one particular change that makes things wild. You're watching this video right now, right? But when I was editing it, I didn't have to watch it. Premiere Pro has this new thing called a text editing mode. It's in the beta version right now, technically, but it creates auto captions for you just like usual, right? But then it lets you select those portions of your captions and delete it. And it'll delete your video, the portion of your video at the same time. It's wild. You can save you so much time. And I'm gonna show you this right now, because I'm in the program as I'm making this video. Alright, so first things first, open your Creative Cloud. Go down over here to where it says Beta Apps. Find Premiere Pro and install it. Alright, now let's open this Batman Pajama. Now, let's pick our new project. Alright, let's try this out. Go up here. Text-based editing. But yeah, I drag in my video to my timeline. You'll see that this pops up here where it says transcribe. Click on that, it'll start loading. And once it loads, you'll see this. Now you see that it's transcribed by video, and I'm saying here. Let's say I want to delete this part right here. I say, so yeah, you understand it's got some change. Oh, I don't need that, right? So I can be like, boom. Bow. Immediately Ripple deletes it in my project here. This ought to work for me. This is crazy because now you can literally just edit your video if I haven't actually edit your video. Just look for the parts you know. If you had specific dialogue you wanted to keep and one specific dialogue you want to remove, you can just remove it. With that said, I wonder if you can cut this part out, put it over here. Oh, that's wild. This is a whole different way of editing. I'm back. So as you see, that's wild, right? Now, this wouldn't work for every single video you do, because technically, it's kind of more of like if you're like a talking head, or if you're like making like a podcast thing where you just have audio and someone talking directly to the camera. If you had like other stuff where you weren't talking, or just other stuff in general, it's not like a YouTube format, then yeah, I can see why this wouldn't be as beneficial. But for people that can use it, it's like, boy, like it's wild. So yeah, definitely take advantage of it when it comes out, and yeah.